What's up, guys? Hope you're having a great weekend. Wanted to jump on here and let you guys know what I'm working on next. So, I got a couple new partnerships I jumped into for some software, but for the next 6 months, I'm going to be completely focused on one project. All my other ones will still be going, and you guys will see some offers for those as well. But I'm going to be building out what I'm going to be consider my kind of flagship software, and it's going to be pretty amazing. So, first and foremost, all my current customers that are on a monthly recurring package are going to get access to the software. I will have a service as well that I'm offering with this. That would obviously be extra, but you guys will get the software for free as long as you're currently subscribed to any package. So, and as well as if you sign up from now until launch for any of the offers I'll be putting out, you guys will get this one as well. What's up, Daniel? And I just committed to this. I signed a contract with myself just to hold myself accountable. So you guys can see this is my contract for the next 6 months. It certifies I'll solely focus on building a new and improved lead generation system for my current clients and future clients and partners. So I'm committed 6 months through December 6th. That's going to be my focus. I'm not taking on any other projects. I'm going to be building out this one. It's going to be a proprietary system that I'll be able to help a lot of people with. And that's going to be my focus for the next 6 months. I'll still be posting other offers, stuff I'm already involved in. I'm in several partnerships, and those will be continuing to grow. But I'm working on the big one next. So that's going to be the focus. Everybody's going to be excited when this thing launches. It's going to be crazy. I've already got pretty deep into it. So it's going to be combining a lot of things under one roof. And it's going to be awesome. So here's my 6 steps that I'm going to be doing over the next 6 months. And they're very simple. You guys can do these same things if you want and probably have similar success to what I'm going to have over the next 6 months. So step number 1, I'm going to pick a niche. I already have a couple that I'm very good with. So I'll probably be honing in on just one of those for this first offer. And then once that's built out over these next 6 months, I'm going to reassess from there. We can go hard in that same niche and maybe take on another niche, something like that. But for this next 6 months, I'm going to be focused on one niche. I'll still be helping all my current clients, no matter what niche they're in. Obviously, I got a tax client. I have a nonprofit client that I love working with. So that's not going to change. But I will be drilling down on one niche only for the next 6 months. And that will be my focus. So step 2, I'm going to get leads in that niche. I already know how to do this, so that's not a problem. The main thing is just focusing and delivering for that niche. Step 3, which this is what I'm working on. I'm going to create a killer offer just for them, just for that niche. I'm going to over deliver, right? So things that they wouldn't even expect, I'm going to set on their doorstep. It's going to be a no-brainer offer for them. Number 4, I'm going to focus on one organic marketing strategy and one paid marketing strategy. So I'm not going to be split. I'm not going to go on Instagram and LinkedIn and Facebook. I'll be focusing on one, going hard on that, drilling down on that, and one paid strategy. And number 5, this is going to be my sales process. So it's going to be a 2-step sales process. When I initially reach out or generate a lead, it's going to be a discovery call, probably 3 to 5 minutes. I'm going to qualify the lead, and then I'm going to book a demo. On that demo, it's going to be a no-brainer because they're going to see all the value that I'm really ready to just drop on them. And a percentage of those are going to close. If I'm hitting these leads, 100 leads a day or whatever it might be, I'm going to come away with at least a client, or 2 every day, or at least 1 per week for my service, and probably several for the software. So it's just a simple process. And finally, number 6, the people who sign up, I'm going to get them great results, and hopefully they'll give me some testimonials, and then I'm going to rinse and repeat, start back at number 1. So it's going to be a cycle. for the next 6 months. That's what I'm working on. That's my focus. If you guys are already signed up on one of my plans, get ready for this. I'm adding it to you. It's going to be a powerful tool in your toolbox. And if you need some help generating leads, like from the ground up, that service offering will be coming. Once that's ready to go, it's going to blow your guys' minds. Super excited about it. But that's pretty much it. So I decided I'm doing too many things. My attention's been split a little bit. So I'm going to hone in for 6 months, solve someone's problem at such a high level that it's a no-brainer not to work with me. And we'll go from there. Reassess after 6 months. Once I've committed to the process, I've done the steps, put in the work. I do have a partner I'm thinking about working with on this. And if you guys want to partner in some way, feel free to reach out as well. I'll probably have some type of affiliate program once we're up and running, but I'm not going to focus too heavy on that. But feel free to reach out to me. If you're already a current client, reach out as well. If you want some more details, I can give you a little bit more details. I don't want to release anything publicly yet, but super excited for what's coming next. This is going to be the big project that I work on the remainder of the year pretty much. So just thought I'd jump in here. If you guys want to make a similar promise to yourself to commit to something for 6 months, whatever it is, business-wise or relationship-wise or, body, whatever it might be, go ahead and make a contract with yourself. Put that thing on the wall so you can stare at it every day in case you get distracted. I think that mindset thing really helps. So that being said, I'm going to get to work on this Sunday. And you guys have a great weekend. Feel free to jump in the inbox if you got any questions. Watch for the offers coming out. Like I said, anything you sign up for over the next 6 months that's recurring, you're going to get this new project for free. And it's going to be way more valuable than whatever you sign up for in between now and then. So appreciate you guys. Catch you on the next video. And I'm going to drop this on YouTube. So if you're on YouTube and you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe and smash that bell. And you'll get notified of all future videos. Appreciate you guys. Have a blessed Sunday.